Hi, I'm Philip Nelson and I'm presenting on the mineral commodity silicon today. First, let's talk about what silicon is and why it's important. Silicon is the second most abundant element in the Earth's crust, and it's found in the mineral silica. Silica is extracted through applying heat to silica. It's a valuable resource because it's incredibly useful and allows us to manufacture lubricants, polishing agents, electrical insulation, and make really small transistors for electronic devices. This last one is where silicon really shines because it's a very good conductor for electricity when it is in its purest form. So, where is silicon mined? So, on the previous slide, I said that silicon is the second most abundant mineral in the Earth's crust, which means you can find it in many places. China has the most abundance of silicon in the world, but the US does not import significant amounts because it is also abundant here. The most recent data from the US Geological Survey says that in January 2020, the US produced 33,100 metric tons of silicon, exported 2,670 metric tons of silicon, and imported 8,590 metric tons of silicon. So, how do we get it out of the earth? In Oroville, California, a company named Silica Products mines silica from a quarry. This is not the only method of obtaining silica to extract silicon from. Companies also use strip mining, dredging, and even fracking to obtain silica. And here we have some other information about silicon. As I said earlier, silicon has many uses. It can be used to make semiconductors, which are good for creating transistors to use inside of computer chips. It can also be used to make aluminum alloys for chemistry. Silicon is used to make the cells in solar panels. These are photovoltaic cells that absorb the light from the sun and create electricity. Silicon is used to make silicon-based products too. Silicon is made when silicon is passed through hydrocarbons. Silicon is used to make a variety of products ranging from lubricants to electrical insulation. Silicon is interesting because it can be either conductive or non-conductive. The cost of silicon, once it's extracted, is 94.7 cents per pound according to the latest mineral industry survey conducted by the US Geological Survey in January 2020. There are some issues when extracting silicon from the earth. Silicon mines have been shown to pollute water sources, but this could be mitigated through more responsible mining practices. Fracking and strip mining are very harmful to local ecosystems as well. Silicon is also far less profitable than some other mineral commodities. According to the US Geological Survey, silicon is being overproduced and some silicon production facilities have closed within the past year. This can be attributed to the abundance of silicon in the Earth's crust. Okay, here are my sources, and thank you for watching my presentation.